Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, interesting thing buzzing across Twitter, Facebook, and most of the online media is the northern lights might make an appearance here in the Pacific Northwest this evening. We had a very strong solar flare blasting towards Earth. It's basically going to be interacting with the electromagnetic field that runs through the center of the Earth there and basically releases all these different colored gases, which is sort of what the northern lights are. So here's what we've got. Strongest activity for that. Highest activity where I think we have the best shot will be overnight tonight, mainly around midnight as you get in towards the first couple of hours of early Saturday. Fair chance for mainly northern Oregon. This line that I have right here, this is basically the view line, so you got to be sort of above that to really get a good shot. So obviously upper Midwest and all of Canada will really see some pretty impressive stuff. I'll put up a couple of different posts in just a bit here for some live looks up towards a place called Yellowknife, which is up in the Northern Territories. They've had some real good looking shots yesterday. Meanwhile, what we're dealing with here in the Northwest is hot, dry forecast. We've got red flag warnings out that extend all the way through Sunday evening because of a very hot, unstable air mass. Temperatures have been in the mid to upper 80s today and low 90s. Very dry offshore wind and the relative humidities. Last check was at about 14% here across the Eugene-Springfield area. That is very dry and something fire crews will be watching very carefully over the next couple of days. You can see the heat continuing to move north, basically in from Northern California there, 73 in Brookings, 77 in Newport. So the heat lower, that thermal trough that's created by the big surface high off to the east there, continues to keep the west side baking and will likely do so through tomorrow's forecast as well. Mid-80s current temperatures now for all the Friday night football games. It's going to be a warm start. 93 in Roseburg, around 73 in Sun River, and mid-60s to low 60s as you get out to the coast. Coast will be in the low 50s tonight. Still clear. Won't see the marine layer move back in yet tonight. Probably will start to see that moving in as we head in towards tomorrow night and certainly by Monday. Big ridge of high pressure over the Pacific Northwest. Jet stream well to the north of us continues to keep us very warm, at least for the next few days. Now, we'll eventually see things break down. Tomorrow, that won't be the case. Temperatures will be in the upper 70s for kickoff. You'll see very sunny, kind of a hazy afternoon as well. So keep that in mind if you headed out to Autzen. Hydrate. All right, mostly sunny and warm. Temperatures in the low 70s at the coast tomorrow. It will be another hot one in the mid-90s across portions of the Umpqua. Cascades will be very dry as well. Westerly winds should keep Willamette Pass and Oak Ridge fairly smoky. So that's where we'll likely see most of the Deception Complex fire smoke hold. In Central Oregon, a sunny afternoon with temperatures in the low 80s and will likely be right around 90 degrees for tomorrow here in the Willamette Valley. So we'll go 33 days of 90 degrees or higher. Now, watch what happens, though. High breaks down, and we actually get a cold front swinging through as we go to Wednesday and Thursday. So not only does that bring some showers at the coast, but some much-needed heat relief for folks in the Umpqua that'll go from the mid-90s all the way down to the mid-70s by the time we get to Thursday and Friday. Cascades, we'll see some showers moving back into the forecast. And the best news of all is we will increase the humidity level a bunch. So going from like 14% to about 90% as we go to Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Fire crews are looking at that.
Yeah, exactly.
Given an applause, that's for sure.
They need that.
Yes, they do.
All right, thanks, Justin.